JSM. In this lecture, we are going to start stereoisomerism in the coordination compounds. In that, we are going to discuss geometrical isomerism in the coordination compounds. Okay, in the previous lectures, we have discussed structural or constitutional isomerism of different types with examples. Okay, so this is another important concept in the coordination compound. So many times questions are asked in the various entrance examinations. Okay, so what is the geometrical isomerism and what are the geometrical isomers? Okay, the isomers with different relative geometric arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom. Okay, the isomers which have the difference in relative geometrical arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom or central metal ion, they are called as geometrical isomers, and the phenomena is called as geometrical isomerism. Okay, isomers having different possible geometric arrangements of ligands around the central metal atom or central metal ion, that may be atom or ion, which we discussed in the previous lectures. Okay, so here isomers. Okay, geometrical isomers have same molecular formula. Okay, isomer means definitely that has the same molecular formula, right? They have the same molecular formula, same structure. Okay, they have the same molecular formula and same structure, but difference in, okay, difference in relative arrangements of ligands. Okay, what are the geometrical isomers? The molecules which have the same molecular formula, same structure, but the difference in relative arrangements of ligands. Okay, clear? So here, and another point is that very important one, heteroleptic complexes only. Okay, only heteroleptic complexes only exhibit geometrical isomerism. Okay, only heteroleptic complexes can exhibit geometrical isomerism. What is the heteroleptic complex? Okay, we discussed it in the introduction classes, heteroleptic and homoleptic. Here we discuss with an example. Suppose we have, see these complexes CONH3 taken 6 times 3 place. See, these are called as homoleptic complexes. Okay, what are these? Homoleptic complexes means the complexes which have all the ligands are same. Okay, so these are homoleptic. See, this type of complexes, they cannot exhibit the geometrical isomerism because all the ligands are same. So no, so we cannot show any differentiation, right, in the relative arrangement of ligands. So that's why these homoleptic complexes, they do not exhibit geometrical isomerism. Okay, so which complexes will exhibit? Heteroleptic complexes. So for example, if we consider like this type of complexes can exhibit geometrical isomerism, and this homoleptic complexes, they cannot exhibit. Okay, in the heteroleptic complexes also some can exhibit, some does not exhibit. That we will discuss in detail in the upcoming lectures. Okay, so here introduction part we are discussing. So only thing what we have to consider here is that no need to by heart also, simple thing. All are same means we cannot differentiate, yes or no? So here different ligands are present, so with respect to their positions we can say whether they exhibit geometrical isomerism or not. Okay, clear? So let us see which type of complexes can exhibit the geometrical isomerism. Now let us see which type of complexes can exhibit geometrical isomerism and which does not exhibit the geometrical isomerism, because all the complex compound cannot exhibit the geometrical isomerism. Okay, let us see here. So we generally in the intermediate stage we discuss the complexes with coordination number 2, coordination number 3, coordination number 4 and coordination number 6, and exclusively we focus on the coordination number 4 and coordination number 6 containing complexes. Okay, so here the coordination number 2. So the what is the geometry? See, like this is the central metal atom and ligands are attached to the metal. Okay, so what is the geometry here? Linear geometry. Okay, any complex with two coordination number generally has the linear geometry. Okay, and coordination number 3. So this is the metal, ligand and ligand. Like this they are arranged around the central metal atom. So here what is the geometry? Trigonal planar. Okay, so the geometry is trigonal planar. And see here, with the coordination number 4 we have two possibilities. Okay, coordination number 4 we have two possibilities. One is the tetrahedral complexes. Okay, tetrahedral geometry. Another possibility is square planar geometry. Okay, so we have the two possibilities, tetrahedral and square planar. See here, tetrahedral, how ligands are arranged around the metal like this. Okay, so here, and in the square planar the ligands are arranged around the central metal atom like this. Okay, next, with the coordination number 6, what is the geometry? Octahedral geometry. Okay, octahedral geometry. Now here, how the ligands are arranged around the central metal atom like this. Okay, so here coordination number 2, the complexes have linear geometry like this. Ligands are arranged around the central metal atom or ion. Coordination number 3, trigonal planar. This is the geometrical arrangement of ligands. And coordination number 4, so this is special. Tetrahedral is possible, square planar is possible. Okay, so this is the arrangement in tetrahedral, this is in the square planar. And with coordination number 6, octahedral geometry. Okay, see here, now in the complexes with coordination number 2, 3 and in the tetrahedral complexes, geometrical isomerism is not possible. They cannot exhibit the geometrical isomerism. Okay, so only the square planar complexes and octahedral complexes only can exhibit geometrical isomerism. Okay, so geometrical isomerism is possible in square planar and octahedral complexes. See here, another thing, with coordination number 5 also complexes exist, and that is the very special case that we will discuss in a separate lecture. Okay, but mostly in the intermediate stage we focus on the complexes with coordination number 4 and coordination number 6 only. With coordination number 5 also possible, that is a separate thing that we will discuss. Okay, clear? Don't worry, I will explain. So here, remember this, coordination number 2, 3 and in the coordination number 4 tetrahedral, they cannot exhibit geometrical isomerism, and here square planar and octahedral only can exhibit the geometrical isomerism. Okay, so that we will discuss in detail which type of complexes, and again here in the square planar not all the complexes can exhibit geometrical isomerism. In the octahedral not all the complexes can exhibit geometrical isomerism. That we will discuss individually. Square planar complexes, what are the possibilities, and in the octahedral complexes what are the possibilities, and all the important cases we will discuss in detail. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to support us.